Hey guys, you took the course tour and you are ready to get started. So let's talk about what you need to do. So first, go to the course overview. You've already seen this. You know my contact information. Record that somewhere if you want it, but it will always be here. I'm really quick on the email, so don't hesitate to send an email through there. You've watched this video of the course tour of just how each of these units is going to be laid out and what to look for. And now we're here at the how to get started. So what do you need to do? First, you have to look through this academic integrity file. It lays out what I expect of you, really what the district expects of you while we're using these online courses. Take this quick assessment to indicate that you have in fact read this, and we'll take it into consideration. I will hold you to these standards, so be prepared for that. Here's a link for the online policies for our school district, the technical skills expected of you, and what I expect in terms of etiquette when you're dealing with others in this class, specifically on the online portion. Though it's good for any class, whether you're sitting in the building or doing it online. So look through those, and then there's another quick assessment that you need to complete that just lays out straightforward questions asking if you found this, if you know what this is, and where to go from there. Your job is to get this finished by the end of week 1. It will not take very long. Do not let it deceive you, and expect this to be the amount of time you have to put in for the remainder of the course. Once we get into the actual physics, it's going to take a little bit longer, but I'll be here to help every step of the way. So if you have any questions, again, send me an email. Use the calendar that's in the front of every unit to know where your due dates are, and stick with it. Do not let it pile up on you because it will just get more and more overwhelming. That's it for now. Get yourself started.